Hear the drums beneath the thunder, voices calling through the flame. From the halls of ancient glory, Valhalla knows my name.
Steel in my hand, scars on my soul. Cold northern winds made a warrior whole. Blood on the snow, fire in the sky. Brothers beside me ready to die. Kings may fall and mountains break, but iron hearts will never shake. Through endless storms we ride again, till Odin calls us home from pain.
I hear the ravens crying high, black wings dancing through the night. Every heartbeat sounds the call,
The sound of Valhalla.
raise the fire, raise the shield. Let the frozen earth now feel. Warriors roar beneath the stars, carrying hope through endless wars. Never fading, never gone. We stand together, battle strong. Through the thunder, spirits call.
Hear the sound of Valhalla.
I walked alone through fields of ash. Dreams were broken, swords would clash. Yet in the dark, a flame survived. The fearless heart still stayed alive. Mothers cried and oceans wept. Still the ancient promise kept. Every wound became our guide. The gods themselves marched by our side.
No chains can hold the northern flame. No fear can steal a warrior's name. Through burning tides and endless night, we rise again, prepare to fight.
Can you hear them calling?
From the mountains and the sea,
Can you hear the echo?
of the ones who died free.
When the darkness surrounds us,
We become the storm they fear.
the sound of Valhalla.
Forever near.
Raise the fire, raise the shield. Legends carved on frozen fields. Through the ages we survive.
Warrior spirits never die.
Hear the horns of battle call. We will rise though kingdoms fall. Through eternity we stand tall.
Hear the sound of Valhalla.
In the halls beyond the night,
Heroes
burn like endless light. The sound of Valhalla.